switchbox is very complicated. I need to take my time in order to get it working properly. A service room. I need to be cautious. Someone might be hiding inside. It seems to be empty. I should take a look around. I might find something useful. Ouch! Hot steam. I need to stop the steam leaking from the pipe. A valve might help. Great! I found a valve. That looks like blood. This looks serious. It's locked. I need to find a code to open it. I found a code. I hope this code is going to work.
Vincent is dead. Vincent must have been the blackmailer. He tried to blackmail the killer and the killer stabbed him. I wonder what he knew. I need to look around for clues before Kotzi gets here. This must be the other knife. It's time to go and tell everything to the police. Damn it! There's nobody here. They must be at the harbor. Luigi, you saved my life. What just happened?
I was looking for you, and I saw the stone fall. You're lucky to be alive.
Oh, thank you, Luigi. But there's something that I must tell you. Officer Kotzi, I was just about to tell Luigi that...
Miss Myers, I have had enough of your meddling. You have interfered with police business. You have broken into government buildings. You entered the station cells and spoke with Miss Molinelli without my permission. Miss Myers, I have had enough. I am going to arrest you.
But Vincent is dead.
What? What are you talking about?
He was stabbed to death. I found his body hidden in a locker in the service room.
My God.
I think that Mr. Verno is involved. I found a blackmail letter in his compartment, and the knives,
Slow down, please.
I found that 2 knives were missing from the cellar. One knife was used to kill Aldo Molinelli, and the other was used to kill Vincent. And Mr. Verno visited Portocesso last week, so...
I have had enough of your wild stories. Luigi, lock Miss Myers in a cell until I can get to the bottom of these events.
Si, signor. Anna, I'm sorry I have to lock you up, but I will try to convince Signor Cozzi to release you.
I understand. Please do whatever you can, Luigi.
Our town is normally very quiet. We've never had a murder here, and Signor Cozzi is under severe stress. He's overreacting.
Luigi, don't worry. We just need to find the killer.
We're on it. We are going to arrest Mr. Verno right now.
Focus on the details, Luigi. I'm afraid that Kotzi might miss something important.
Like what?
Like... Never mind. Just keep an eye on the details, okay? Looks like I will be in here for a while. I'll take a look around. found a handkerchief. A handkerchief monogrammed with SM. It must belong to Sylvia. She must have been released already.
We're fed up with your lies. Keep moving.
Get your hands off of me!
Stop resisting. You'll make it worse for yourself.
What's going on? Is that Kotzi?
You have no right!
You're making a huge mistake! I told you I didn't do it!
Oh, really? Everybody says that. Luigi, lock him in a cell.
I am being framed! I told you everything I know. Release me immediately. I am innocent. Innocent! Ah, well, look who it is. The great detective. And she is locked up in a cell, just like a common criminal.
Don't be so sarcastic. You are in a very difficult situation.
What do you know?
The evidence, Mr. Verno, it clearly points to you.
What evidence? I didn't kill, although I have no idea who did.
There is a lot of evidence against you. You were seen in Portocesso last week, near the station cellar. Aldo and Vincent were both stabbed with knives stolen from that very cellar. And I found a blackmail letter in your compartment. Your situation is very difficult, Mr. Verno. You should tell me everything you know. Mr. Verno? I need to find a way to get his attention.